Want to know how to fix the Google Play Store restarting again and again or continuously opening and closing? This frustrating issue often points to corrupted app data, synchronization problems with your Google account, or even a buggy Play Store update. No worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted without any hassle. Before starting anything, check internet stability. Swipe down for quick settings. Toggle Wi-Fi off/on or mobile data off and then on. If not Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Open a web browser and visit a website to confirm your internet works. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Google Play Store and Google Play services. Corrupted data in these two critical apps are the most common culprits for persistent crashing. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings. Go to App or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the app list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then clear all data. Restart your phone after clearing both. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Reopen the Play Store and check if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Disable and enable the Play Store app. Press and hold on the Play Store app, tap Disable, then again tap Disable. Next, open the settings, then go to Apps. Find the Google Play Store, tap on it, then tap Enable from below. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the Google Play Store restarting or continuously opening issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.